Hello friends, welcome to my channel Keeping in Touch with Maths and Meenakshi Sena with a typical problem. This is a square. This is a shape. This is a shape given to us. Don't go to the figure. I am trying my best to maintain the question. This is ABCD is a square. ABCD एक वर्ग है. 49 cm square is the area of ABCD square. This whole length is given to us 21 cm. This is. Only. We have to find the area of this triangle. This is point C, E, F. Area of triangle C, E, F is equal to what? Under the condition when this CF is equal to this. ये चीज दे रखी है. This is a square, so that we can say this is also 7 and this is also CF, 7 cm. ये चूंकि वर्ग हमें दे रखा है ABCD is a square, we are given D is the square of area 49 cm square. It means AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to 7 हो जाएगा cm. Okay, ठीक है. Now this is 21. It means we can obtain this. This can be obtained. Seven square. It means CF is equal to CF square will be equal to 7 square plus 21 square. That is 49 plus 421. 21 to 441. Sorry, 441. That is 490. 7 root 10. CF will be equal to 7 root 10. Okay. Now we have to find the area of CF. This can be obtained if we extend this. अगर इसको CF को आगे बढ़ाएं and then drop the perpendicular from F. F से perpendicular डाल दें इसके ऊपर. This height will be, suppose this point is G, then this will also be equal to 7 centimeter. This height will also be equal to 7 centimeter. It means GF will also be equal to extend CE up to and drop perpendicular from F on CD. Then GF will be equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now area of the triangle is to be determined. area of the triangle will be triangle CEF, which is in question. This will be equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Base into height, this is 1 by 2. Base is equal to what? Base is equal to this CE. And height is equal to 7. But C is to be determined. अब C निकालना है. How can we determine the CE? Question is this. Suppose EG is equal to X. EG is equal to X. But BF is equal to CG. BF is equal to CG. BF is equal to CG because we have dropped the perpendicular, which is 21 cm. It means EG will be equal to, and where EG is equal to X, it means CE will be equal to 21 minus X. CE will be equal to 21 minus X. If it is X, this is X, it means this will be equal to 21 minus X because this will be 21. ये पूरी 21 है, ये भी पूरी 21 हो गई. इसमें से ये वाला पोर्शन x माना हमने, तो ये वाला हिस्सा 21 माइनस x हो गया. अब ड्राइंग ट्राइंगल दिस EGF. इन ट्राइंगल EGF, this is the hypotenuse. PF square is equal to x square plus 7 square. X square plus 7 square. And also we can say because this is 21 minus x, this will be equal to also 21 minus x, because this we are given CE is equal to EF already in the question. This is given that CE is equal to EF in the question, already given. It means in place of EF we can write 21 minus x. 21 minus x whole square is equal to x square plus 7. देखिए इस ट्राइंगल में ये ऑलरेडी हमें दे रखा था CE is equal to EF, ऑलरेडी दे रखा था. हमने इसको x माना, ये पूरा 21 है, तो ये वाला x है, तो ये वाला हिस्सा 21 माइनस x हो गया, ये भी 21 माइनस x हो गया. अब इस वाले ट्राइंगल में x square plus 7 square will be this square, this is 21 minus x. It means 21 minus x is equal to x square plus 7. फिर से सुनिए, ये पूरी लंबाई 21 थी BF, ये भी इसी के बराबर होगी 21. इसमें हमने इसको एक्सटेंड किया था, EF बराबर x मानी थी, EG बराबर x मानी थी, और ये 21 है, तो ये वाला हिस्सा हो गया CE बराबर हो गया 21 माइनस x, 21 माइनस x. और ये वाला पोर्शन ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में दे रखा था कि ये इसके बराबर, तो जब ये इसके बराबर है तो ये भी 21 माइनस x हो गया. अब इस ट्राइंगल में EG स्क्वायर प्लस this square is equal to this square. It means 21 minus x square will be equal to x square plus 7 square. Now we can find the value of x. इसको करिए, इसको कैलकुलेशन, तो इसमें आएगा 21 square plus x square minus 42 x is equal to x square plus 49. Okay, this x square get cancelled, this square get cancelled. We are having only 21. Come 4 to 41. This is 441 minus 42x. 442, sorry, 442 आएगा, 41 आएगा, 441 आएगा. 441 minus 42x is equal to 49. It means minus 42x. This will be equal to 392 minus. It means x will be equal to 392 upon 42. This will be minus. Okay, then minus minus get cancelled. 392 upon 42. Now x can be obtained over here. X is equal to 392 upon 42. कैंसिल कीजिए, आपको 7 से हो जाएगा. हाँ, हो जाएगा. 7 5 जा 35, 7 6 जा 42, 6. Okay, this will be equal to 28 upon 3. This x is equal to 28 upon 3. Now, area will be equal to this. This is CE. This is x. It means CE will be. It means CE will be 21 minus x. That is 28 upon 3. That is 63 minus 28 upon 3. This will be equal to 35 by 3. Okay. Okay. 35 3. 35 3 will be the value of this length. This becomes 35 by 3 cm. Hence the area will be, now we can put the value of CE 35 by 3 and then we can find the area of the required question will be equal to 1 by 2 into 35 by 3 into 7. That is 6. Approximately it will become 4 0 7 square cm. This will be the area. 40.7 40.8 मान लीजिए, 40.8 मान लीजिए, बिकॉज और बचेगा 40.8 समथिंग. इसका एरिया आ जाएगा. क्वेश्चन क्या था? क्वेश्चन वाज दैट दिस स्क्वायर वाज गिवन टू अस ऑफ 49 cm स्क्वायर. ये फिगर इस तरह से थी. This was given to us 7 because this is 48. It becomes already. This is given to us 21. Whole length was given to us 21. We have to find the area of this triangle. In order to find the area of this triangle, इसका हमें एरिया निकालना था. इसके लिए बेस हमें ये पता होना चाहिए और इसकी हाइट हमें पता है क्योंकि ये 49 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. इट मीन्स ये 7 है तो ये पूरी हाइट यहाँ तक पूरी हाइट आपकी 7 सेंटीमीटर ही होगी. दिस विल बी डेफिनेट. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज टू फाइंड द बेस विच इज CE. CE is to be determined. इसके लिए from this point F point we have dropped the perpendicular. इसको x माना because they are already given this portion. CF we were given that CE is equal to FE. This was given to us. CE was given to us. EF already दे रखी थी, तो हमने इसको ये वाली दूरी x है, तो 21.1 माइनस x हो गई. बिकॉज ये वाली दूरी 21 है, इसमें ये वाली 21 माइनस एक्स हो गई, तो ये भी 21 माइनस एक्स हो गई, क्योंकि हमें ऑलरेडी दे रखा था CE इज इक्वल टू CF. ऑलरेडी दे रखा था, तो हमने वो निकाला. और उसके बाद ये ट्राइंगल लिया, इसमें x की वैल्यू निकाली. दिस स्क्वायर will be equal to this square plus this square. This is 7. This is x we have assumed. This is 21 minus x. इससे x की वैल्यू आ गई आपकी 28 अपॉन x is equal to 28 upon who is x? 28 upon 3. x is equal to 28 upon 3 आ गई हमारी. Who is x? Where is x? x. This. From here we have calculated x is equal to 28 upon 3. That is this. This is the value of x. 28 upon 3. x is equal to आ गई हमारी. जब x आ गई, उसके बाद हमने एरिया निकालना है. बेस इंटू हाइट. बेस है 21 माइनस एक्स, तो 21 माइनस एक्स की बेस निकाली. दैट इज इक्वल टू 35/3. देन 35/3 इंटू 7. 35/3 इंटू 7 by 1/2 is the triangle area. This is 40.8 centimeters square. Okay, clear? थोड़ा आपको दोबारा मैं इसलिए समझाती हूँ कि आपको दोबारा रिपीट हो जाए. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.